Okay, I'm gonna throw a new door actuator in the F350 Excursion. Should be the same for all Super Duty trucks. It's gonna be the passenger side on this one. There's a screw behind here. Pop off some trim. Should be pretty straightforward. It's a little cold, so everything's brittle. Try to be careful. This is going to be 9:30 seconds. Under the panel itself. Got one right here. Make sure your window's up before you disconnect all this stuff. I also disconnected the battery already just because the door is going to be open for a little bit. I didn't want all the lights running. Okay, once you get those two out, the door panel should just come off, I believe. I think that's it. Just lift up, reach in and disconnect your light down there. And that's it, panel's off. Too much. Okay, once you get the panel off, you're gonna undo this bolt, which holds the felt track on. It's a 10mm. Okay, now to take off the external door handle, 7/16. Got one bolt on the bottom here, or nut. Loosen that one, and get to the upper one. Pop this cap off, and that'll get you access somewhere. There it is, right in there. Okay, once you get those nuts off, pull your door handle out. I wish it wasn't so cold. There you go. And then down in here, that little green tab, you're gonna flip that arm over, then this will pop out. You might have to get a screwdriver. Yep, you get a screwdriver. Okay, once you get the clip popped off, this just slides right out. Just like that. And there we'll take the lock off. Should be pretty easy from here. T27 bit for the latch. Okay, once you get the Torx bits out, you can undo this little clip here. Just hold your lock in. Just flip that up, and the rod pops out. be able to wiggle this whole lock down. Let's see. This is fun. Easy. Fun. Great. Now, let's see. This has been replaced before. It's already broken. Scratch your car. Oh, what the hell? Is that the problem? No. Back on. That slides in there. Make sure you're lined up. Oh, yeah, it must feel different. All right, slide that in. Better, way crisper. It actually feels pretty strong. Might throw a zip tie on that. All right, sneak this back in. Make sure this felt is a little tangled. Good, I think that's good. Get a Torx bit. Torx bit and screws. Get this started. Back up, then push that down. Does that make sense? Yeah. Behind the cable. Okay. Secure your cable. Okay. Exterior latch back on. Just right here. Once you get it secured, put the rod in there, and then close that green clip to capture it, and you're good. Go ahead and do that. Push that in there. Okay, there we go. Let's try that now. Okay, before we go any further, just going to test the lock. The battery's back up. Battery and where's the lock? There we go. Everything looks happy. Sounds much better. Okay. Okay, actually the only thing left to do is attach the felt runner, or the track I mean, and put the door panel on. So that's about it. It's attached. Okay. Good. Starting to go too, I think. Might do this one next. Lock button back here. So we'll see. But yeah, fixed.